Hi students, today we are going to continue our topic 1A, trigonometry. In the previous classes, we have learned how to take the trigonometric ratios of minus theta, and as well as in the previous classes, we have taken the identities and reciprocal functions, and as well as trigonometric values of 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Let us see the continuation of this topic trigonometry. Now we are going to see how to take the trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees minus theta as like this. Trigonometric ratios of trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees minus theta. Let us see how do we take the trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees minus theta. Understand? So let us see as like this. First of all, take a right angle triangle as like this. Say any ABC, right angle at B, whatever it may be there, to take the right angle. Now angle theta, this angle should be, how much will come? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. What is angle A? Theta. Angle B 90. Angle C you have to find it 180. Angle C equal to 180 minus theta minus 90. Angle C equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Understand? So this is 90 minus theta. Next, one more important thing here in this, in triangle ABC, with respect to theta, what is opposite side? BC, adjacent side AB, hypotenuse AC as like this. Now we are going to write as like this sin theta. As for example, this is say X, this is Y, this is R. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse Y by R. Okay. What is sin theta definition? Opposite side by hypotenuse Y by R. Theta, with respect to theta, this is opposite side. Next, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? X by R. Next, tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Understand? What is opposite side? Y. Adjacent side X. Okay? Now, cosecant theta equals to, this can be written as hypotenuse by opposite side. What is hypotenuse? R. Opposite side Y. Next, secant theta equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side R by X. Tan theta equals to, completed. Cot theta equals to adjacent side by opposite side. What is adjacent side? X. Opposite side y. X by y. Now let us continue how to find the trigonometric ratios of 90 minus theta. Now let us see how do we take the trigonometric ratios of in triangle ABC with respect to 90 minus theta. With respect to 90 minus theta, what is opposite side? AB, X. What is adjacent side? BC, Y. What is hypotenuse? R only. Understand? We can take as like this. Understand? Okay? Now, let us see how do we get them. Sin 90 minus theta is required. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin means opposite side by hypotenuse. According to 90 minus theta, opposite side is x, hypotenuse r. X by r. What is the x by r value here? Cos theta. Okay? Now, cos 90 minus theta adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent value according to 90 minus theta? Y by r. What is y by r value here? Sin theta. So, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Understand? Next, tan 90 degrees minus theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? Here x. Adjacent side y. Here what is x by y value? Cot theta. So tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cosecant. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse r. Opposite side x. What is r by x value here? According to this, secant theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Now, this can be taken as like this. Secant 90 minus theta equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now, this can be written as what is hypotenuse by adjacent side? Hypotenuse r, adjacent side y, r by y value equal to cosecant theta. Understand? That value secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Understand? The next is cot of 90 minus theta. What is cot 90 minus theta? Adjacent side by opposite side. What is adjacent side value here? Okay, 1. Opposite side x. What is y by x value here? Tan theta. This is the way to find the trigonometric ratios of 90 minus theta. Let us see how do we find the trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta. Okay? Let us see how do we find them. We have already told you the trigonometric ratios. How do we take for minus theta and for 90 minus theta? Understand? So, at that time, let us see how do we take the ratios of 90 plus theta. Understand? Now, first of all, sin. We know that sin 90 minus theta. What is it? Cos theta. Just now I already told you this value. Now replace theta by minus theta. Understand? Replace theta by minus theta. What will come here? Sin of 90 minus of minus theta equal to cos minus theta. So it can be taken as sin 90 plus theta. I already told you the value of cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So what is the value of sin 90 degrees plus theta? Cos theta. In the same way, we are going to find the other trigonometric values of other trigonometric ratios. Okay? Next, another thing. Cos 90 minus theta equal to, we know that sin theta. We have this value. We have cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Replace theta by minus theta. Understand? So what will come here? Cos 90 minus of minus theta equal to sin of minus theta. Understand? So what will come here? Cos of 90 plus theta equal to sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Understand? We can take like this. Okay? Now, another thing, we have tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Now, replace theta by minus theta. Okay? What will come? Let us check it. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot of minus theta. What will come here? Tan of 90 plus theta cot of minus theta minus cot theta. Understand? So this is the value of cot 90 tan 90 plus theta. Next, we have cosine 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Now replace theta by minus theta. Understand? So what will come here? Cosecant 90 minus of minus theta equal to secant minus theta. This can be taken as cosecant 90 plus theta equal to secant minus theta is plus sec theta. Understand? Secant minus theta is plus sec theta. Understand? Next, we are going to take the another function secant. We have secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Okay. Now we are going to replace theta by minus theta. Understand? Replace theta by minus theta. What will come here? 90 minus of minus theta equal to cosecant minus theta. Understand? So it can be written as secant 90 plus theta equal to cosecant minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Understand? So another thing is cot of 90 minus theta equal to, we have the value tan theta. It can be replace theta by minus theta. This can be taken as cot of 90 minus of minus theta equal to tan of minus theta. It can be taken as cot of 90 plus theta equal to tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Understand? We can take the trigonometric ratios of 90 minus theta as like this. Understand? Let us go for how do we take the trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta. Let us see how do we write them. Trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta. Okay. Now here we know the trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta. Sin of 90 plus theta equals to, we have the value cos theta. Understand? We know the value of sin 90 degrees plus theta equals to, what will come? Cos theta. We have proved, already told you the trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta. Understand? In this relation, replace theta by 90 degrees minus theta. What will come here? It can be taken as sin of 90 degrees plus 90 degrees minus theta equals to cos of 90 degrees minus theta. Now it will come as left side value 180 minus theta equal to cos of 90 minus theta sin theta. Understand? Sin of 180 minus theta value how much? Sin theta. Understand? In the same way, we can find the trigonometric ratios of other functions of 180 minus theta. We have the value cos 90 degrees plus theta equals to minus sin theta. Understand? Now, in this relation, replace theta by 90 degrees So what will come? Let us check the value here. Okay, let us check the value as like this: cos of 90 degrees plus 90 degrees minus theta equals to minus sin of 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, as like this. Now it can be taken as cos of 180 minus theta equal to minus sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Cos of 180 minus theta equals to minus cos of 180 minus theta equals to minus cos theta, because 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Understand? Now we are going to take another value, tan 90 degrees plus theta equal to minus cot theta. We know this value. We have written already the trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta. According to the tan of 90 degrees plus theta equal to minus cot theta. In this relation, replace theta by minus theta. Understand? Replace theta by minus theta. What will come here? Tan of 90 degrees plus 90 degrees minus theta equal to cot of 90 degrees minus theta. This can be taken as tan of 180 minus theta equal to minus cot 90 minus theta minus tan theta, because of 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Let us go for another value, cosecant. Okay, we know the value of cosecant 90 plus theta equals to cosecant 90 plus theta equals to, we know the value as like this, secant theta. Okay, now replace theta by 90 minus theta. Okay, now then it can be taken as 90 plus 90 minus theta equal to secant 90 minus theta. Okay, this can be written as cosecant 180 minus theta equal to secant 90 minus theta cosecant theta. Understand? We can take as like this. The next trigonometric ratio is required the value of secant. So secant 90 plus theta equal to, we have minus cosecant theta. Here in this, replace theta by 90 minus theta will come as like this, 90 minus theta. Secant 180 minus theta equal to minus secant theta. As well as about cot function, cot of 90 degrees plus theta equal to, we have the value minus tan theta. Here in this relation theta replaced by 90 minus theta, it will come as like this. Cot of 180 minus theta equal to cot. Here this can be written as minus tan 90 minus theta minus cot theta. Actually cot 90 plus theta is minus tan theta. Wherever theta is there, we have replaced it by as like this 90 minus theta. Then we got like this minus tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Cot of 180 minus theta minus cot theta. The remaining trigonometric ratios we should continue in the next class. Understand?